On November 8, 2023, Libis Elementary School in Antipolo marked a significant event with the launch of Lakbay Aral, a special project supported by RIA Money Transfer, Save the Children, and Knowledge Channel Foundation. The audience learned about the challenges faced by children with disabilities and indigenous backgrounds from PSDS, Mr. Efren Villester, and City Councilor Honorable Lorenzo Juan Sumulo. Touching stories from teachers, parents, and caregivers showcase the resilience of their communities. Edri Calma, Vice President of Knowledge Channel Foundation, explained the creation of learning resources, generating excitement for the future. The event included a showcase of special learning kits, emphasizing RIA Money Transfer's commitment. Representatives from the local government unit of Antipolo and advisory group members were present. The event concluded with interactive booths that engaged students from kindergarten to grade 3 in dancing, word hunts, storytelling, and gift exchanges. With hope and a commitment to our planet, the Climate Action Learning Resources will make a positive impact on youth learners and their communities. For latest updates, visit knowledgechannel.org.